Ali, owner of Holder. Available na actually yung ano nila, 4-pocket leather zipper binder. It's gonna be in my yellow basket. Available na siya? Nice! Hey. And, kasi andito ako ngayon, gusto ko ipakita sa'yo yung jumbo ice cream ko. Ayan. So far, tapos may nagbigay din sa akin ng a lot, cup of you. Thanks to your binder na super puti, nag-create ako ng whole community of jumbo ice cream people giving to a lot to these binders.
Towards jumbo ice cream.
Shout out to Holder. And a ice cream last pick. The community as well.